Hi everyone, today I'm here with an unboxing of the Hermès Passifolia Teapot. So if you follow my channel, you may recall that we did an unboxing of the teacups and saucers a few weeks ago, and I was kicking myself that we didn't get the teapot at the same time, so we got it on our latest visit. So you can see it right here in the box. It comes really well packed. We have a little styrofoam cutout that's just sized perfectly for the teapot and the lid. We have a little instruction guide that talks about the Passifolia line and some care instructions for the teapot. So let me go ahead and take this out. All right. One of the things that I really love about the Passifolia dining collection is the level of detail on the porcelain. So all of Hermès' porcelain is really well made, as you would expect, but what really makes the Passifolia line unique is the design and the pattern that's actually on top of the porcelain. So it's printed in chromolithography, and you can see the colors are very vibrant. There's over 30 different colors that are used in the Passifolia line that just really makes it pop. So you see all the different floral patterns and plants, and it gives you that like jungle rainforest vibe, which is, in my opinion, really cool. And the lid as well also has that detail that extends all the way around. So this teapot holds 47.3 liquid ounces. And the inside is, just as you would expect, frankly. All of Hermès' porcelain is handmade and the detailing is hand applied. So there is quite an amount of work that goes into each piece. And you can even see that pattern extends seamlessly all the way up into the T-spout as well. So getting that applied not only to the curvature here, but also across the curvature of the T-spout is quite difficult, and definitely speaks to the skill and craftsmanship of the piece. The other thing that is really neat about Hermès porcelain is the artist's stamp, the artisan stamp. So at the very bottom of each piece, each artist has a unique stamp, so that way it can be traced back to the individual that made it. So in this case here, it looks like this is a M or maybe an epsilon, depending on the angle that you're looking at. I think probably from your point of view, it's an M. That is the artist's unique stamp. In my previous video, where I walked through the teacup and saucers, the artist's stamp was a snowflake. So that tells us that two different artists made these pieces, one for the M and then a different artist for the saucers. And at the bottom you can see the Passifolia line mark and a little other floral detail as well. So definitely a very vibrant collection. They have a lot of different sizes, not only teacups and tea saucers, but coffee cups, plates, bowls as well. So definitely a very extensive line. So looking forward to adding more over time. So that is the Passifolia Teapot. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. And as always, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.